Hi everyone! So today I have a shop update for you and a little project at the end of the video. So first I wanted to show you all of the new digitals that are available both on Etsy and on my website. And these are part of monthly digiboxes. So I printed them all and these are my test prints, and I just thought I would flip through them for you today. These monthly digiboxes include the ephemera kits that I'm showing you here, also a archived collection, and in some months they will coordinate with the new ephemera kit. And also I have some add-ons, and the add-ons are the journal pages that I'm showing you here as well. These printables were all printed on my color laser, and I will leave a link below to the information that I've provided in the past about the printers that I use and some of my suggestions or recommendations about paper and printers. Next, I wanted to make some tags as thank you gifts for any orders of handmade journals and junk journal kits in my shop. I just like adding an extra item to say thank you when someone takes the time to make a purchase. This beautiful gauze is a maroon color. It was a long piece of fabric that I cut into strips, and then I will cut it into 3-yard lengths. These strips I cut off of the pages from the book, and I will use them in other projects. And what I did here was I cut all of these about 3¼ inches wide, except for one which somehow I messed up, so it's about only 3 inches. I also wanted to add my logo on the tag. I had some scraps here of cardstock and wallpaper, and I just glued the logo punched out circles onto the scalloped circles. I also added some of my vintage grungy tape. These paper leaves I glued to each other in pairs, and then I glued them to the top of each tag. And then I did a crisscross staple effect on them. So here I am wrapping the gauze around the tags. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.